Lee,
Yes.
we're on the Northampton Arm again.
Yeah.
Why are we on the Northampton Arm again? We were here last week. We're walking in the opposite direction though, but why?
We need to find the missing mosaics from the Northampton Trail on the Northampton Arm. It goes from the top lock, number 1, down to the bottom lock, number 17. So there's 3 in the middle somewhere that I need to find.
It's going to be a long walk, isn't it? We're both full of cold as well, by the way. Just in case you think we sound weird, we're not really that weird, but our voices are a bit weird. And if you hear us huffing and puffing, it's not because we're really not very fit. It's because we've got a cold. Isn't it, Lee?
Yes, definitely.
Right, here we go. Bye. But there's going to be 2 versions of this video. There's going to be one in 360, which means you can wiggle your phone around. So if you're actually not seeing us at the moment, if you fiddle with your phone and just swingle around, you'll see us because we might be behind you. Or if you want to see in front of us, swiggle again and you see in front of us. It's really cool. The other version of the video will just be a normal one where I'll pan, because we've got to find the mosaics. I'm talking nonsense now, but I always talk nonsense. What do you mean?
Nothing, dear.
Did you see that abuse? Lee, you're getting excited now.
Not really.
Lee, you got your first lock with the mosaic. We're near the mosaic.
We are.
What lock number is this then, Lee Lawson?
15.
It's an A for anus. They'll tell me off for that later. He has to take a picture of it now. She'll show you all the pictures later, won't you, Lee? An action shot of Lee taking a picture of an A. I was kind of hoping to get out on Hannah the Narrowboat this weekend, but it's been horrible weather. It's Easter, by the way, so happy Easter everybody.
Happy Easter.
So yesterday was horrible. Today's alright, so we thought we'd come and do this. Tomorrow's going to be horrible again. But also we've had so much to do aboard Hannah because I've had to make a permanent sort of arrangement for me to be able to work and play on the boat. So obviously we had to sort our TV out. We didn't want a TV and a computer monitor. So I'll show you all that later. It's quite interesting, especially for those who want to know how we're going to get loads of free TV. We're not free TV, but a good solution to show you how you can get Discovery and all that sort of stuff, which is a bit hard unless you've got a satellite system on your boat, which we don't. Lee, there's a boat. Lee wants to get his number.
Secret.
We're up now. Where are we, Lee? Upton County Park is over that side.
Yeah.
That side, right if you're looking forward, left if you're looking at me. Depends how you're squingling around with your iPhone or your Android or whatever. Remember, you can squingle around if you're watching in 360. Squingle is an awesome word. This is a very pleasant walk, isn't it, Lee Lawson? My shoes are getting dirty though.
I was just going to say it's not too muddy.
Yeah. I got some new work shoes. I don't know why they call them work shoes because I'm a graphic designer, so I don't really know why I need work shoes with steel toe caps. But you kind of do need that on a boat, to be fair. It's a good idea, safety first and all that. Oh, I'm knackered. Lee's getting excited, she's getting her pencils out. She hasn't got a pencil, she does it. Oh, right, and your electronic pencil. She's getting her iPhone out, everyone, to get the number. It was the boat we saw earlier. Lee's so excited. It's the only reason she wanted to come for a walk, just so she can get some boat numbers. She's run out because she's got all the ones in the marina. Haven't you?
No.
She hasn't got all the ones in the marina yet.
All the way round.
Hiya. We should have told them to look on hannahthenarrowboat.com or whatever it is, or on our YouTube or Daily Motion channel so they could see themselves on telly. But we forgot. In case you're wondering, this little dead mouse thing on my tummy, it's because last time we did a video it was really windy and you couldn't hear what we was talking about, and I had to go through and make subtitles and it took forever. So I thought, oh, we got to sort that out. So now I've got a lavalier mic. Yeah. Lee just asked me what's called a lavalier mic. I ain't got any clue. Does anyone else know? But anyway, hopefully this sound is a lot better this time and you can actually hear what I'm saying. Or perhaps you prefer you didn't hear what I'm saying, which I'd probably think is probably true. I'm knackered. It's my cold, honestly. Lee, are we nearly there yet?
No.
How do you know?
I don't.
2 more mosaics to see and then Lee will be a happy bunny, and that means I'll be allowed to have more beer tonight.
I've got to find the one at Gate Junction though. There's one there, so I'll walk down there later.
What, by the signs?
I don't know.
I would have thought it'd be by the signs for Gate Junction, wouldn't it?
Possibly.
Anyway, bye. See, Nug have been at it again. Dodgy lot on the Nug. Graffiti, I don't know.
It's that bit of water over there.
I think that's where the Neen is still.
I was going to say, yeah, is it still the Neen? Because it kind of goes side by side a bit.
We'll have to have a look on a map.
I will.
God, my nose is running. I don't do running. I'm not built for running.
That's the only bit of me that ever runs.
It's quite a nice stretch of canal, to be fair. I think we're approaching the next mosaic number, aren't we, Lee Lawson?
Letter, not number.
What did I say?
Number.
Oh yeah. We have. Here's the next lock. So what number's this, Auntie Lee?
Well, if the last one was 15, this must be 14.
How do you know it's not 16?
You did 16 the other week.
Ah. Lee's really excited again because there's another boat with a number she might not have. She's found the next one. What letter is it, Lee? It's an N. For nice. I was trying to think of a beer that started with N then, but I couldn't think of one. Nice beer! So did she get 2 birds with 1 stone there? Did she get the letter and the number of the boat? That's the question. She did. She confirms that she got the number of the boat. That will be underlined in green pen this evening.
That might be the boat I missed this morning.
We're nearly at the last lock that we need to get today, aren't we, Lee? So what letter will this be, Lee? Will it be an O?
I was going to say, yeah, O.
For Orangy Boom. There you are, that's a beer. Still can't think of one for N. No.
New World.
Oh yeah, New World. Ale. And we like that. But hasn't it changed its name though, Lee Lawson? It's not called New World anymore, so technically that's invalid.
Okay, right. Deep something. 66 or something. 66 deep. 69 deep. I don't know.
69? Jolly good time.
I think it's 66 deep.
Huh. Anyway, there's 2 more boats up here, I think. Is there 2 boats, Lee?
Yeah, yes, it's the very long one.
You'll be seeing her reaching for her iPhone. There she goes.
Yeah, but at least I got the excuse of the mosaic.
Here we go. And here's the last lock we need for our numbers, letters, whatever the heck they are. And it spells Northampton Arm, I say. Oh, the Northampton Arm.
17 locks, 17 letters.
There you go, 17 locks, 17 letters, as a lady says. Here we go then. Surprised to see so many boats today. I know the other one's gone the other way. She's alright, she'll get out of the way. Well, the bike will go around it. Lee's getting stressed over a cyclist. Oh yeah. And there's the last one. There you go, Lee Lawson. Buddy!
The letter is obviously a standing site, and then there's always a picture of something to do with the canal.
And the picture's someone digging the canal.
Oh, I think so. Well, yeah, because you've got the wheelbarrow there, a pickaxe and shovel. They're obviously digging out here into there.
And what's the animal?
An otter, I think.
It could be an ostrich.
It's not an ostrich.
Oh.
That looks more squirrely, otter-like, doesn't he? He looks a bit squirrely.
But it's hard to do with mosaics.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
Bye. I know. Now I'll probably fall over. I just kicked myself though. Lee,
Yes.
what are we doing?
We're looking for the mural at the start of the nature trail. I'm not actually sure where it is.
The Nature Trail?
Yes.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
So the first one of the Northampton Arm,
Yes.
and it might be here.
That might be here.
I bet it's not. Oh yeah. There it is. He's got to get a picture now. And there we have it.